good, everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. Look at this. Check out this. Themes, finally. You can change your colors and do all sorts of crazy cool stuff in FL Studio 21. All right, so the description has the link to download Beta 8, which has themes and all sorts of other stuff that we'll get into. But really, this video is just going to talk about this. So we'll go to Options, General Settings, and then scroll down and go to Select Theme. And I'm going to save this preset as Perp because this is my Perp preset. All right, so here's Perp. Now here's Default. Here's Perp. All right, let's go back to Default and let's mess around here. Maybe let's do like a blue one. We can mess with the hue and the saturation. Go this way. Yeah. And then the contrast. Boom. And then the text you can make dark, which looks very interesting. Or straight up you can make it white. Look at the text over here, how it changes. Like it'll be green or it'll just go to straight up bright white. I kind of like it when it's green like that, so we'll keep it like that. And then you can also mess with certain settings, so like your step sequencers. So like let's pull this up. We can mess with the steps. So let's make this like green, and then this one yellow. Boom. We do whatever we want. You can mess with the selection, so this green box right here, if we click this, we'll just make it red. Boom, now the selection's red. You can mess with highlight, mute, options, steps, and then the meters is cool too. So when it's showing the volume meter, you can choose what colors go in here. So you just click on it. So we want this one, let's have this one be like purple. This one be another form of purple, do like red. This one start going to orange. And more towards yellow. You could get creative with it. Whatever you see fit. Really kind of make this your own. And then you could save your preset. Cool, now we got Perp, Blue Gas, and then we can go back to default at any time. Definitely really cool that we can finally add in our own themes. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Make sure you download the new FL Studio beta down in the description and check it out. We're going to be talking about some of the other features. They added some new plugins and whatnot. So check out those videos coming soon. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit the little bell. Make sure you stay safe, stay striving, and always be getting it. Much love, y'all. Peace.